Welcome back to the car update. The 2026 Subaru Baja feels like Subaru. Finally decided to bring adventure and practicality together in one bold machine again. The moment you see it for the first time, it instantly reminds you that this is not a traditional pickup truck trying to act tough for attention. Instead, it feels smart, sporty, rugged, and surprisingly modern at the same time. Subaru has always understood outdoor lifestyle vehicles better than most brands, and this new Baja pickup carries that same adventurous spirit into 2026 with a much more aggressive and premium personality. The first thing you notice is the design. The truck has a wide planted stance that makes it look stable and athletic even while parked. The front fascia looks sharp, with slim LED headlights stretching across the grille area, creating a futuristic appearance without losing Subaru identity. The lighting signature, especially at night, gives the truck a modern, aggressive face that instantly stands out on the road. The grille itself is larger than older Subaru models, adding a stronger truck-like personality while still keeping aerodynamic styling. From the side profile, the Baja looks very different from full-size American pickups because Subaru clearly focused on sporty proportions instead of oversized dimensions. The body lines flow smoothly from the hood toward the short truck bed, creating a coupe-like shape mixed with utility styling. The wheel arches are muscular and slightly squared off, giving the truck an off-road ready look. Large black cladding around the lower body adds protection and rugged styling, making it feel prepared for dirt roads, mountain trails, snow, or long camping adventures. The rear design is probably one of the strongest parts of the truck. The LED taillights are modern and sharp, and the tailgate design looks clean with bold Baja lettering across the back. The integrated bumper and dual exhaust setup give it a sporty, performance-inspired look, rather than a heavy work truck appearance. It feels like Subaru designed this pickup for people who want lifestyle adventure more than construction site toughness. Under the hood, the 2026 Subaru Baja is expected to offer multiple powertrain options, but the most exciting version will likely use Subaru's latest turbocharged boxer engine combined with hybrid assistance. Reports and expectations suggest around 300 horsepower in the top trims, which would make the Baja surprisingly quick for a compact pickup truck. Subaru's Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive system will obviously remain one of the biggest highlights because that system has always been one of the brand's strongest advantages on rough roads, snow, or wet highways. The Baja will probably feel extremely confident compared to many front-wheel drive-based compact trucks. The low center of gravity from the boxer engine helps stability, while the AWD system constantly manages traction to keep the truck planted. This means the Baja is not just designed for city driving. It's built for road trips, mountain adventures, camping weekends, and unpredictable weather conditions. Driving performance is expected to feel smooth but responsive. Unlike oversized trucks that sometimes feel bulky and slow in urban environments, the Baja will likely feel more car-like in handling. Steering should feel lighter and more controlled, especially in traffic or tight parking areas. At highway speeds, the truck is expected to remain quiet and stable, making long-distance travel more comfortable for families and adventure lovers. Inside the cabin, Subaru appears to be pushing the Baja into a much more premium direction than older generations. The dashboard design is expected to include a large vertical touchscreen similar to newer Subaru models, giving the interior a modern high-tech atmosphere. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice controls, navigation, wireless charging, and connected vehicle technology are all expected to be part of the package. The digital instrument cluster will likely display off-road data, navigation, drive modes, fuel economy information, and safety alerts in a clean, modern layout. Subaru has also improved material quality in recent years, so soft touch, surfaces, contrast stitching, ambient lighting, and premium seat materials are expected, especially in higher trims. Comfort is another area where the Baja could become very popular. The seats are expected to feel supportive enough for long drives while still maintaining sporty styling. Rear passenger space should be practical for families, and because this is a lifestyle pickup rather than a heavy-duty work truck, the cabin will likely focus more on comfort and technology than industrial utility. The truck bed itself is expected to be versatile rather than massive, perfect for bikes, camping equipment, luggage, outdoor gear, tools, or weekend adventure equipment. Subaru could also introduce integrated storage compartments, adjustable tie-down systems, power outlets, and smart bed accessories for active lifestyle buyers. Safety technology will be one of the strongest selling points because Subaru's EyeSight driver assistance system has become very advanced in modern vehicles. Features expected in the 2026 Baja include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, driver attention monitoring, parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera system. These features will help the Baja feel modern and secure both on highways and in busy cities. Fuel economy will also likely be much better than larger V8 trucks. The hybrid-assisted powertrain especially could make the Baja attractive for buyers who want pickup practicality without huge fuel costs. That balance between efficiency, comfort, and adventure capability is exactly where Subaru usually performs best. Off-road capability is another area where this truck could surprise people. While it may not compete directly with hardcore rock-crawling trucks, the Baja will likely perform extremely well on dirt roads, gravel trails, muddy paths, snow-covered highways, and outdoor adventure routes. Higher ground clearance, X-mode terrain management, hill descent control, and a WD traction systems could make it one of the most capable, compact adventure pickups in its class. What really makes the 2026 Subaru Baja interesting, though, is its personality. Most pickup trucks try to feel intimidating or oversized. The Baja feels smarter than that. It feels designed for people who love travel, nature, technology, and practicality all together. It's a truck for road trips, camping weekends, mountain bikes, surfboards, rainy highways, snowy mornings, and everyday life combined into one package. And visually, it has enough uniqueness to stand out immediately. On modern roads filled with similar-looking SUVs and oversized trucks, the Baja has character. It feels fresh, sporty, adventurous, different. Pricing is expected to start somewhere around $32,000 for the base trim, while higher trims with hybrid performance, premium interiors, larger wheels, panoramic roof, upgraded audio systems, and advanced technology packages could reach around $45,000 or more, depending on configuration. When you step back and look at the entire truck, the 2026 Subaru Baja feels less like a traditional pickup and more like a modern adventure machine created for real lifestyles. It mixes practicality with personality in a way very few trucks manage to achieve. And honestly, if Subaru brings this truck to production exactly with this bold design and modern technology, it could become one of the most exciting compact pickups on the market because it doesn't just look like another truck. It looks like freedom, adventure, and everyday usability blended into one stylish machine.